How to mute group notifications for 8 hours on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute group notifications for 8 hours on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and not here, click on group, any group you want like this one, and then click on group profile, and here you will find this one, mute notifications. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just select 8 hours, and here you will find okay, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.